Okay, so let's look at how to plot a multiple plot in like basically in a certain way that you want. This example is taken from pretty much this. I think it's this YouTube videos. I think a check on them minus will be shorter, and basically is a 2 by 2, is 2 row 2 column, and basically like a matrix. You can use different axes as a plot, set y label and x label. I made it uh, such that they share the x-axis. You can see. If you don't, you can just change to false or just delete that line. And let's see what we have. Oh, 2 pythons. There we go. That's what we have. Zeros row, zeros column, sign. Zeros row, second column. Sorry, second row. Zeros column, second row. This one, and zeros row first column. First row first column. You can also have a different configuration with however you like. For more details, I will put one more website you can check on in this script, so you can check on the reference.